I'm something that you sound like cat. You know what? Every time someone tells me I sound like someone, I'm legally obligated to Google them, okay? Who the fuck is this? She looks like her name would be Karen. I don't know who this is. This better not be a fucking... It's the fucking Rugrats woman! I swear to God, one more fucking person tells me I sound like one of the little fuckers from the Rugrats. I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna lose it. I do not sound like the little fuckers from the Rugrats. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna fucking lose it. I could probably do a solid impression though, but I do not sound like those fuckers from the Rugrats! I've had enough of this.